In today's video, I'm going to teach you managing tasks in Obsidian. We'll use the Tasks community plugin to turn simple markdown checkboxes into powerful, searchable to-do lists with dates, priorities, recurring schedules, and more. First, install it. Open Settings, go to Community Plugins, select Browse, search for Tasks, then install and enable it. In the plugin settings, set a global filter so non-task files are ignored. For example, exclude anything in a templates folder. Turn on short mode so tasks display compactly with the familiar Issei task style. Finally, remap your hotkey so tasks toggle done replaces the default checkbox toggle. Many people like Control+Enter, but choose what fits your workflow. Let's create tasks. For quick entry, open the command palette with CMD or Ctrl+P, run tasks, create or edit, and type something like buy groceries, followed by a due date and priority. For example, calendar emoji in 2025-12-15, then an up arrow with yellow priority. You can also write tasks inline anywhere with review report and add natural language like calendar tomorrow, scheduled today, a tag like hide work, and a priority like red high. Recurring tasks are as simple as I water plants every 3 days. Tasks also support statuses beyond done or not done, such as in progress, using the / checkbox, and blocked, using the greater than symbol. Use your hotkey to mark tasks complete without losing their metadata. Dashboards make everything shine. You can embed dynamic task views in any note using a tasks query. For a today's section, add a heading like today's tasks. Then inside a tasks query, write these lines on their own. Due today, not done, and sort by due. For a weekly overview, add this week, and inside the query, write due this week and group by priority. Helpful filters include not done for incomplete tasks, overdue for past due items, path includes projects to focus on a folder, and has had meeting to filter by tag. A recommended setup is a single tasks.md dashboard. Start with an inbox no date section where the query contains no due date and not done. Add a due today section with due today. Then create an upcoming section with due this week and group by file name to cluster tasks by note. For faster capture, the Quick Add plugin can insert a templated task with a hotkey. Tasks also supports subtasks, dependencies like depends on 3, and calendar integration via the Task Calendar plugin. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.